So this question says the graph of 7x plus 2y is equal to minus 31 in the xy plane and has an x-intercept of a and 0 and y-intercept of 0 and b, where a and b are constant. What is the value of b over a? So basically what we need to get is the value of a and b from this particular problem. So what we'll do is we are going to be solving it in cases. So we're given what equation 7x plus 2y, which is equal to what minus 31. So we know that x-intercept is the value of x when y is equal to 0, right? So for x-intercept, and that is at what a comma what 0, that is when x is equal to what a, y is equal to 0. That is actually what it means. That's the value of x, but in this case x is a here, right? So all we just do is wherever we see x we plug in what a, right? And wherever we see y we plug in 0. So we have what 7 into bracket a plus what 2y is equal to minus 31. Okay, so we have 7a, right, plus 2 into bracket 0 is equal to minus what 31. So 7a is equal to minus what 31, and so this implies that a is equal to minus 31 over what 7. All right, so if we divide, I'm actually dividing both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 7. So that's how I got a is minus 31 over 7. So let me call this what equation 1. Then for the second one, right, the y-intercept. So what is y-intercept? Y-intercept, right, is given as what is at what 0 comma what b. This implies that what x is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. That's the value of y when x is equal to 0. Okay, and so wherever we see y in the equation here we put b. So we have x in this case 0, so it's 7 into bracket 0 plus 2 into bracket y, which is what b is equal to minus what 31. 7 times 0 is 0, so we have what 2b is equal to minus 31. Divide both sides by coefficient of b, which is 2. All right, so this implies that b is equal to minus 31 over 2. So we have gotten, so I call this equation 2. We have gotten what a and b. So the question says what is the value of what b over a? So that is the last thing. So we can say therefore b over, excuse me, so therefore b over a, therefore b over a is the same thing as what's our b, that is minus 31 over 2 divided by a, that is minus 31 over what 7. Okay, so this will now turn to minus 31 over 2 times 7 over minus 31. This cancel this, so we have what 7 over 2. All right, and 7 over 2 is the same thing as 3.5. Of course we have option here, so the correct option to this is option D, which is what 7 over 2. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.